This 2025 CrossRoads Hampton 395 Bosnia and Herzegovina convertible marks as a destination trailer RV. It is located in Corsicana, Texas, 75510 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Corsicana. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new CrossRoads is 42 feet 0 inches in length and features a granite gray interior, sleeps 4, slide-out, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features couples coach, kitchen island, rear bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.